Which wall clippers are actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Color Pro Cordless. First up is the Color Pro Cordless Hair Clipper and Trimmer by Wahl. Priced at $44.99, this clipper caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 82,700 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. If you want an easy-to-use clipper for the whole family, this is worth a serious look. This clipper makes at-home haircuts a breeze with its cordless convenience. You can quickly charge it and take it anywhere, and with a runtime of 60 minutes, it's perfect for those busy mornings. Plus, the color-coded guide combs help you remember everyone's favorite lengths so you won't have to guess or mess up. It's super hygienic too, as the blades are removable and rinseable, making cleanup a cinch. With 20,000 units sold in just the past month, here's why this matters for you specifically. It means families everywhere are trusting this product to keep their haircuts consistent and easy. Now, some people complained about the battery life being a bit short. Here's the thing though, if you're just using it for quick trims or the kids, the 60 minutes should be more than enough. But if you want to do a whole family haircut in one go, it might feel limiting. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a user-friendly clipper for men, women, and kids. Skip this one if you're planning to do professional-level fades or need longer battery life for extended sessions. For $44.99, it's a solid investment for family grooming. Now, if the battery life on the Color Pro bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Lithium Ion Pro. Next on the list is the Lithium Ion Pro rechargeable cordless hair clippers, retailing at $69.99. With over 6,600 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that this one has caught the attention of many. If you're after a clipper that packs a punch for home haircuts, you might want to keep listening. What sets this clipper apart is its 2-hour runtime on a full charge, which is fantastic for multiple haircuts without needing a charge. The self-sharpening blades are a big plus. They won't just cut through thick hair but also stay sharp longer, which means less maintenance for you. And the adjustable taper lever really helps in blending and fading haircuts, making it easier to achieve that professional look at home. This is why it matters for you. It not only saves on trips to the barber but also gives you the tools to create those styles you want. Now, some reviews mention that it can be a bit heavy for extended use. I'll be real with you, if you're just cutting hair for yourself or quick trims, it shouldn't be an issue. But for longer grooming sessions, the weight might become noticeable. This is perfect for you if you're looking to replicate professional results at home. Skip this if you prefer something lighter or are just doing quick trims. For $69.99, you're getting a lot of quality here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want extra features. Product number 3, Lithium Ion Color Pro. The third product is the Lithium Ion Color Pro rechargeable cordless hair clippers, priced at $87.99. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 773 reviews, this one's got a slightly higher price tag but comes with some additional perks. If you want a clipper that combines color coding with smart technology, keep watching. The Smart Charge technology keeps you updated on battery status, so there are no surprises in the middle of a haircut. The Easy Match color code is another standout feature, making it so simple to keep track of lengths. Plus, it comes with a touch-up trimmer, which is fantastic for detail work around the neckline and sideburns. Here's why this matters. It gives you versatility and precision, making your haircuts look even more professional. However, some users felt that the touch-up trimmer could use more power. Now, here's the thing, if you're just using it for minor touch-ups, it's totally fine. But for thicker hair or more significant trims, you might find it lacking. This is perfect for you if you want color-coded convenience and a touch-up option in your clipper kit. Skip this if you're looking for a clipper solely focused on heavy-duty cutting. At $87.99, you're paying for those extra features and they're worth it. Now, if the price of the Lithium Ion Color Pro gives you pause, the last option might be just the budget-friendly alternative you need. Product number 4, Home Pro Cordless. Finally, we have the Clippers Home Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clippers, priced at just $31.79. With a 4.4-star rating and over 546 reviews, it's the most affordable option on our list. If you're looking for something budget-friendly that still gets the job done, this one might fit the bill. It comes with 60 minutes of runtime, which is good for quick trims and everyday use. The self-sharpening precision blades make sure you're getting consistent cuts without snagging, a huge bonus for home users. The 12 snap-in lock attachment guards allow for customizable lengths from 1/16 to 1, so you're not limited in styling options. This is what's great for you. It's affordable and effective for home haircuts without sacrificing quality. Now, some users mention that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, at this price point, you're not going to get top-tier materials. But if you're looking for something reliable for basic haircuts, it shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly clipper that still performs well. Skip this if you're looking for something more professional or heavy-duty. At $31.79, it's an excellent deal for the average user. So to wrap it up, we've seen the Color Pro Cordless for family-friendly ease, the Lithium Ion Pro for professional results, the Lithium Ion Color Pro for extra features, and the Home Pro Cordless for budget-conscious buyers. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you before making a choice. To summarize, whether you need something family-friendly, professional-grade, feature-rich, or budget-friendly, Wahl has a clipper for you. Think about your specific needs and pick what works best for your grooming routine.